Space mission since the Challenger disaster. Liftoff was delayed 98 minutes because of winds, but finally went off smoothly. Our Washington correspondent, Edward Stourton, reports.
This is Shuttle Launch Control. The test team and orbiter are ready to support the flight crew's departure.
It is a familiar sight. It used to be an almost routine procedure. But the Challenger disaster and the 32 months of soul-searching that followed it meant that America's attention was focused on today's launch.
The launch team leaving the suiting room now.
The crew is the most experienced ever to fly in a shuttle. All have been in space before. There's only one civilian among them. They were driven to the launch pad past a memorial to America's past glories in space, a Saturn V of the type that took the first men to the moon.
This will be Commander Houck's third space flight aboard the shuttle.
The shuttle commander, Captain Frederick Hawk, sought to relieve some of the tension as he climbed aboard. But for NASA, and for the thousands of people who came to watch the launch, America's future in space was at stake. The shuttle is carrying a satellite similar to the one that was destroyed aboard the Challenger, but its real mission is to restore the pride that was lost in the Challenger disaster and to prove that America can fly safely in space. And safety concerns were put before all others. The checks were more meticulous than
CWS verified, CH-20. CH-20 verified, CHU.
forced a delay, and for a while there was doubt about whether the launch would go ahead today.
We'll go for main engine start. 7, 6, engine start. 3, 2, 1, 0, and liftoff. Liftoff. Americans return to space as Discovery clears the tower.
There was an echo of the final words that Mission Control spoke to the Challenger crew.
Discovery, go at throttle up. Roger, go.
And Discovery was safely on her way.
Standing by for solid rocket booster separation. Solid rocket boosters have separated.
The sentiment was the same at the White House.
And it's now headed into orbit, and America is